How to add a clock widget in Windows 11. Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add a widget of clock over here on your desktop. So let's get into it. So you need to come over here onto this website called rainmeter.com and just simply download Rainmeter. Now for those of you who don't know what Rainmeter is, it's a customization tool for Windows and you can install a bunch of different widgets using Rainmeter onto your desktop. So right now it's downloading, and once it's downloaded, we'll just open it up and install it. And once it's installed, we'll click on Rainmeter. And right here, we have a bunch of different widgets. So we can just simply go ahead and right click over them and unload skin. We'll just turn those off right now. Next, what we want to do is we want to come over here onto this website called Visual Skins. This is a theme or skins for Rainmeter. So we can just go ahead and download whichever one we want. Over here, you'll see you have a bunch of different options. You can choose whichever one you want. If we click on clock, we can see we have Rainmeter clocks right here. We can select which clock we want, and then we can go ahead and download them. So let's go ahead and click on elegant clock right here. I think this would look good. Click on download skin. There you go. It is now downloaded. Run it. Click on add, and there you go. Next, you need to run Rainmeter. So you can just simply type in Rainmeter application over here, or you can just simply click on this arrow key and run this application. Next, you will see you already have elegant clock right here. You can choose whether you want the dark version or the light version of clocks. You can see you have two ones. We'll choose light because our background is a darker version, and then we'll just simply click on load, and there we go. As you can see, we have ourselves a clock. Next, what we can do is we can just simply close it up and we can move it around as well. So over here, as you can see, we can move it around and we can place it wherever we want. So I'll just keep it over there at the top corner. And if I open up another tab, you can see it does not hover over it. It just stays over there on the window. So that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you add a clock widget into your Windows 11. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.